All right, so my bedroom walls are framed and they're getting inspected later this afternoon. So while I wait for that, I'm gonna try and bust out a quick bed frame. So I'm going to use these ash boards that a friend gave me as the side pieces. And then I've sketched out kind of a simple design for the inside, the interior of the bed frame. I'm just using scrap 2x4s that I have. And then I got a bunch of furring strips that I'll use for the bed slats. These are my very chaotic bed frame notes that I made up last night after watching a bunch of YouTube videos on how to build a bed frame. All right, these are all my boards cut to length. They're gonna be the side boards and the headboard and the footboard. So now I just need to cut them all to the right width. I'm gonna use this as the way to ensure that my circular saw doesn't move around. I don't know, it's called a jig, maybe? I don't know what it's called. A table saw would be much easier. All right, there are all the boards. They're cut to length. They're ripped to approximately the same width. They're ready to be sanded. So I decided to use shellac to finish these. I did a bunch of research to try and find out what the best low VOC, non-toxic kind of finish might be. And came up with shellac. So I've never used shellac before, but I think it's gonna be great. And then I did one more coat of shellac. These are going to be the 4 corner posts, so I'm going to screw them together. So these are all really ugly, but no one's gonna see them. Only I will know they're there. the bed. I've got the slightly more attractive side facing the door. And now it's ready for the bed slats. Here's a second try of the same design of the bed frame before the slats go on. I like how it looks. I like this design. If I found this design online and did it, I would be super frustrated with whoever made it up because it's not perfectly square, and I'm just gonna leave it because it's off by like 1/2 inch. But it's cute and it's got lots of storage space underneath, so it'll serve our purposes. So it's kind of a weird bed frame, but at least it's my weird bed frame. So